So Addoptics has developed a hybrid manufacturing process that combines digital manufacturing, namely 3D printing, with traditional casting. So in other words, we use 3D printing to create molds, and we use these molds to create the actual optics. Well, and this gives us the best of both worlds. So we have the speed and the flexibility of 3D printing. It allows for mass customization of your product and also the scaling of established casting methods. So let's focus on our 3D printing step. 3D printing has come a long way, but it has not really been used in optics so far. And the reason for that is the staircasing problem, which comes from the layered nature of 3D printing. And this is the most important difference that we have. Addoptics does not suffer from the staircasing problem. So let me explain how we do that. Our printing process is a inkjet-based method that uses micro-droplets to 3D print our molds. And the liquid droplets, they solidify after they're being deposited, allowing them to be in a fluid state for a short amount of time and then transition to a solid state. And for each droplet, we can precisely control the speed at which it transitions from liquid to solid. And we do this by exposing it to a certain radiation profile, which is controlled by software. And this allows us to create extremely accurate optics that are also nanometer-smooth in terms of surface roughness. Well, we're not the first who uses 3D printing to create optics. There are other approaches out there, so I want to address them. One approach is to directly print the optics, directly print a lens. So it means you turn on your printer and a lens comes out. And this technique suffers from a lot of downsides. So one is that the materials that allow themselves to be 3D printed are not very suitable for lenses. They suffer from yellowing, haze, low TG. Whereas Addoptics uses 3D printing just as a step in the manufacturing process. We use it to create nanometer-smooth molds. And these molds are used to cast our lenses using ophthalmic material.